Measurement of scales. It helps to understand which statistical technique to apply on the data. It is a way to categorize and define variables. If I ask you what you see in this picture, you will say a picture denoting female and male. If I ask you what you see in this picture, you will say three hair colors. If I ask you, do you play cricket? Your answer will be either yes or no. There will be nothing like maybe. So, this is my first level of measurement. When I am labeling, it is classified into two or more categories. It is qualitative in nature. I have simply labeled male or female. I have simply labeled yes or no. When I'm just doing the labeling part, I'm talking about the first level of measurement, which is nominal scale. If I ask you, order your eating preferences of the selected outlets on your screen. Some will say Domino's, KFC, Burger King, Pizza Hut, McDonald's. Others will say Pizza Hut, Domino's, Burger King, KFC, McDonald's. Some other people will rank it like McDonald's, Pizza Hut, Burger King, KFC, Domino's. So here I am labeling along with ordering. Similarly, if I ask you to rank these platforms, which platform you like or prefer more to watch? Some will say Netflix, Wood Select, Prime Video, Z5, TVF, Hotstar. Other will say Wood Select, Z5, Netflix, Prime Video, Hotstar, and so on. So now I'm talking about my second level of measurement, where I am ordering and ranking the data. Although it does not establish the degree of variation between them. I'm not saying how much you like McD over Domino's. I'm just saying you are liking McD over Domino's. It is a qualitative data. Now let's take the example of a thermometer. We know 40 degrees is hotter than 30 degrees. We know 20 degrees is cooler than 30 degrees. We also know there is a difference of 10 degrees between 20 degrees and 30 degrees. We also know there is a difference of 10 degrees between 60 degrees and 70 degrees. So now I'm labeling, I'm ordering, and also measuring the difference. This type of scale is known as interval scale. It is my third level of measurement. The data is quantitative, hence central tendency measures are applicable. The difference between two variables is measurable. But this scale does not have true zero. For example, 10 degrees Celsius is equals to 50 degree Fahrenheit, whereas 20 degree Celsius is equals to 68 degree Fahrenheit. 0 degree temperature has some meaning. So it does not have true zero. But if I talk about height and weight, zero means zero. Now I am labeling, I'm ordering, I'm capturing the variations and also have a true zero. This is my highest level of measurement and it is known as ratio scale. It tells us order exact values between units and have absolute zero. All descriptive and inferential statistics are applicable. Here I have presented all the four levels of measurement in a single picture. In nominal, I can label, I cannot order, I cannot measure the difference and it does not have a true zero. Whereas in ordinal, I can label along with, I can set some meaningful order, but it does not capture the difference and true zero. Similarly, in interval, we can label, we have a meaningful order. We can also measure the difference, but it does not have a true zero. Whereas in ratio scale, it can be labeled, it has a meaningful order, difference is measurable, and it has true zero. Let's take one more example. Suppose I have three climbers. I have simply labeled them 7, 8, and 3. So this is my nominal scale. When I rank them, like 3 came first, 8 came second, and 7 came at the third place. This is my ordinal scale. When I am ranking performance rating on a scale 0 to 10, I'm talking about interval scale. And when I'm talking about time to finish, I'm talking about the ratio scale. Let's take one more example. Suppose in a horse race, when we have labeled the horses, we are talking about the nominal data. When we know who is winning and who is at the last, we are talking about the order. When we know the gap between label 5 and label 6 is of 20 seconds, and 1 second between label 6 and label 7, I'm talking about interval scale. When I say label 7 completed the race in 1 minute 59 2 by 5 seconds for 1 by 4 miles, I'm talking about the ratio scale. Thank you.